Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a website that pays you every time someone clicks on your link, then you're in the right place. Just head over to the description below and click on the link provided. It will take you directly to this page. Simply sign up and you can get started right away. After signing up, this is the dashboard you will see. Here you can check your total users and your total earnings. You can also view your earnings graph here. As you can see, I've already earned $1.14 this month. You can also check other statistics right here. For withdrawals, if you were using UPI, the minimum payout is $2. I've already completed that requirement. And now I'll show you exactly how to withdraw your earnings. Before showing you the withdrawal process, let me first show you the plans available here. They offer 5 different plans. You can pause the video and check all the details carefully. As for which plan I am currently using the recommended plan suggested by the website. Now, let's move on to the withdrawal section. To do that, simply click on the withdraw option. You'll then see a dashboard like this. I've already added my UPI details, so I'll just press the withdraw button. Since I have $2 in my account, which is the minimum withdrawal requirement, I can proceed. As you can see, my payment request has been submitted successfully. It shows withdrawal request successful. And now you can see that my balance is $0, which means the withdrawal has been processed. I requested my payment on 16th January 2026, and I received it on 21st January 2026. That means it took around 5 days for the money to be credited to my bank account. The transaction charges were almost zero. So go to the link in my description, sign up now, and start earning today.